N value, P value, Q value, K value. That's enough to the problem, right? Now, what is the given question? Observe. There are 5% defective items. There are 5% defective items in a large bulk of items. What is the probability that a sample of 10 items means, third problem, n is equals to 10, right? Will include not more than once. Now, probability of given probability of defective items, small p is equals to 5%, is nothing but 5 by 100, right? Right? 1 upon 20. Understood? Now, q is equals to 1 minus p, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 20 is nothing but 19 by 20, right? Therefore, n value is equals to 10. He asked you to find out not more than 1. Not more than once means 0 and 1. That means less than or equal to 1, which is equals to 0 and 1, which is nothing but p of x is equals to 0 plus p of x is equals to 1. P of x is equal to 0 value is 10c naught into q to the power of 10 minus 0, okay, into p to the power of 0 plus 10, this one 10c1 into q to the power of 9 into p to the power of 1. Simplifying this, you are going to get answer. Copy this one. 10c naught value is equals to 1. So the answer should be 19 by 20 to the power of 10 plus 10c1 value is equal to 10 into 19 by 20 to the power of 9 into 1 by 20. You just keep as it is. Next problem. Copy this problem. After this, please copy that problem number 4. Copy that problem number 4 on the screen. 5 cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, right? 52 cards. What is the probability that all 5 cards spades. Spade is a symbol, right? Spade is a symbol. So there will be 13 spades, right? 13 by 52 P. First of all, you should get N value, P value, Q value, K value. 5 cards are drawn successively means N value is equals to 5, right? Write down first of all. You copy that one or take the screenshot of that fourth problem, please. Yes, the fourth one. Five cards are drawn successively. That means N value is equals to 5. Okay. Now with replacement from well shuffled card of deck of 52 cards, all are split. Probability, see, probability of getting a spade. Small p is equals to 13 by 52. Why? Because 13 spades will be there, right? 13 by 52 is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, Q value is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 3 by 4. Now, he asked you to find out the first problem as, see the first problem what has been given to you. All the 5 cards are spades. P of x is equal to 5, which is equals to 5c5 into q to the power of 5 minus 5 into p to the power of 5. Now, 5c5 value is 1 and 1 by 4 to the power of 5 is the answer. Now, the second one, it is only 3 cards are spades. P of x is equal to 3, 5c3 into 3 by 4 to the power of 2 into 1 by 4 to the power of 3. Simplifying this, you are going 5c3 value is equal to 10 into 9 by 16 into 1 by 64. Simplifying this, you are going to get answer, right? Now, the third one, at what has been given, none of them is spade. P of x is equal to 0, which is equals to 5c naught into q to the power of 5 minus 0 value is 5, 1 by 4 to the power of 0, 5c naught value is 1, 3 by 4 to the power of 5 is the answer. Copy this one. I am repeating. While you are copying, I am repeating that problem. 5 cards are drawn successively means n value is equals to 5, right? Probability of getting spade is equals to p. P value is equals to 13 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 4. Q value is equals to 1 minus p na. 1 minus p is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 3 by 4. P of x is equals to 5 is equal to 5c5. That means he asked you all the cards which have drawn are spades, which is nothing but 5c5 into q to the power of n minus r means q to the power of P 3 by 4 to the power of 5 minus 5 value is 0 and 1 by 4 to the power of 5. There 5C5 value 1 and the remaining value totally you are going to get 1 by 4 to the power of 5, right? And P of x is equals to 3 is equals to 5C3 into 3 by 4 to the power of 2 into 1 by 4 to the power of 3. That means simplifying that you are going to get the answer. Next one, similarly, none of them is a spade. P of x is equals to 0. Copy that problem which is on the board. Take the fifth problem as practice, and I am going to tell you the n value, p value, q value, k value for that fifth problem. You just note down that fifth problem. N value is equal to 5. Write down. For the fifth problem. Fifth problem is on the screen. Fifth problem is on the screen. N is equals to 5. Okay. P is equals to 0.05. You just note it down aside. Afterwards, you can do the problem. I am going to give you the hint for the fifth problem. Right? Fifth problem. N value is equal to 5. P value is equal to 0.05. Q value is equal to 0.95. Why? Because 1 minus 0.05 is equals to 0.95. First problem, P of x is equal to 0 and K value 0. P of x greater than or equal to 1. Second problem. Third problem, P of x greater than 1. Sorry. First problem, P of x is equal to 0. Second problem, P of x less than or equal to 1. Third problem, P of x greater than 1. In that one, fourth problem is there, P of x greater than or equal to 1. Copy the sixth problem which is on the screen. Please copy the sixth problem which is on the screen or take the screenshot. of that problem. A bag contains, a bag consists of 10 balls, each marked with one of the digits 0 to 9, right? If 4 balls are drawn successively with the replacement from the bag, what is the probability that none is marked with 0? What is n value? N value is not 10. How many tries are there? That is equals to n. If 4 balls are drawn, drawing a ball is a trial na? So n value is equals to 4, right? Observe that one. Fifth problem is for your practice. That is very important. Don't leave any problem in this exercise. In this one, very easy problems are there. If you got n value, p value, q value, and k value, the problem is over, and it comes for 5 marks question. Very easily you can attempt, right? Now, sixth problem. N is equals to 4. Number of tries means total number of digits drawn. That means 4 it is equals to 4, right? Next one. Probability of getting 0 is equals to 0 to 9 given to you now. They have marked with 0 to 9 means totally 10. 1 by 10. Out of 10, 0 is only 1. So 1 by 10, that is equals to P. Therefore, Q is equals to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 9 by 10. Therefore, probability of none of them is 0. P of x is equals to 0 is equals to 4C naught into q to the power of 4 minus 0 into p to the power of 0, which is equals to 4C naught value 1, 9 by 10 to the power of 4. Answer. Copy this one. This is for 5 marks. I hope you have completed that sixth problem. See, one bad thing what I am observing, some students are sharing that, sir, which exercise is that? See, I am sharing each and everything, even we are writing on the board, right? They are not understanding at least which exercise is that. What they are listening, okay? They are not the small kids. Try to understand. You should know at least, sir. That means at the beginning of the exercise itself, I will write on the board that this is the 13.5 exercise. This is 13.3 exercise. This consists of 5 marks like that. So if you do like this, what happens? No meaning at all. Copy that seventh problem. Copy that seventh problem. In an examination, 20 questions are true, false type are asked. Suppose a student tosses a coin to determine his answer to each question. If the coin falls heads, right, he answers true. If it falls tails, he answers false. Find the probability that he answers at least 12 questions correctly. Means, observe that in an examination, 20 questions are true false type. Means n is equals to 20, right? N is equals to 20. And true false, only two options are there. So small p is equals to 1 by 2, right? N is equals to 20. P value is equals to 1 by 2. Q value is also 1 by 2, right? And here K value, he asked you to find out P of X greater than or equal to 12. Okay, at least greater than or equal to 12. This is big problem. I will do on the board, right? Seventh one, n is equals to 20. Number of questions is equals to 20 now. So n is equals to 20. Out of these 20, probability of selecting true or false is equals to P. P is equals to 1 by 2, right? Q is equals to 1 minus P is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, he asked you to find out max, that means at least 12 questions. At least means P of X greater than or equal to 12, which is equals to P of X is equals to 12 plus P of X is equals to 13 plus and so on. P of X is equals to 20. Okay, so P of X is equal to 12 means 20 C12 into P to the power of 20 minus 12 into Q to the power of 20 minus 12 into P to the power of 12 plus 20 C13 into 1 by 2 to the power of 7 into 1 by 2 to the power of 13 plus 20 and so on 20 C20 into 1 by 2 to the power of 20. Now 20 C12 into 1 by 2 to the power of 20 plus C 8 and 12 20 and 20 C13 into 1 by 2 to the power of 20, right, plus and so on plus 20 C20 1 by 2 to the power of 20. That means 1 by 2 to the power of 20 common. You are going to get 20 C12 plus 20 C13 plus and so on plus 20 C20. You just keep this one as it is because don't try to simplify this because this becomes lengthy. Copy this one. I am repeating this problem. total number of questions given to you are n is equals to 20. In that one, there are two options given to you. One is true, another one is false. So out of two, you should select one, means it is 1 by 2. So P is equals to 1 by 2. Q value is equals to 1 minus P, which is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, he asked you to attempt more than what it is, at least 12 questions. So P of x greater than or equal to 12, like that. Okay, copy this one. Yes, I hope you have copied that problem number 7. Now, see that problem number 8 on the screen. Suppose x has a binomial distribution b n comma p. That means already at the time of introduction of this binomial distribution, I discussed it is represented by b of n comma p. I think that you wrote the notes also. N is equals to 6 given to you. P value is equal to 1 by 2. What will be Q value? Qn is also 1 by 2. And now what has been given to you? He asked you to show that P of x is equal to 3 has maximum value. That means, first of all, you should know. See, he has given you B of n comma p is equals to binomial distribution of 6 comma 1 by 2. N is equal to 6. P is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 minus P is equal to 1 by 2 again. He asked you P of x is equal to 3 is most likely outcome, means first of all you should find out P of x is equals to what it is 0 value also. P of x is equal to 0, P of x is equals to 1, P of x is equal to 0 value first of all. After that, That means 6C naught into Q to the power of 6 P to the power of 0. That means you should get 1 by, this value is 1, 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is 1 by 64. Now, similarly, you should find out P of x is equal to 1. Similarly, you should find out P of x is equal to 2. Very big problem. P of x is equal to 2. After that, you should find out P of x is equal to 3. After that, you should find out P of x is equals to 4. And after that, you should find P of x is equal to 5. P of x is equals to 5 and P of x is equal to 6. In these values, this value is that means bigger than or that means greater than all values. I am repeating. This value should be greater than all values remaining. So that is the meaning of the question. So you got this one now 6C1 into Q to the power of 5 into P to the power of 1. 6C1 value is equal to 6 into 1 by 2 to the power of 64. That means 1 by 2 to the power of 6 is nothing but 1 by 64. Now simplify that one and 6C2 into Q to the power of 4 into P to the power of 2. 6C2 value 6 into 5. 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 is equals to 15 into 1 by 64. Simplifying this, you are going to get answer. 6C3 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6 minus 3, 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of 3. 6C3 value 20. See 6C3. 6 into, see here, 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. It is 20. 20 into 1 by 64. Obviously, you can understand 1 by 64, 6 by 64, 15 by 64, 20 by 64. Similarly, 6C4 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 1 by 2 to the power of 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, which is equals to 6C4 value is equal to 6C2. That value 6C2 value is equals to same 6C2 value 15. So same you are going to get 15 by 64. See here, this is 6C5 into 1 by 2 to the power of 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Same as you got P of x is equal to 1, which is equal to 6 by 64. Similarly, P of x is equal to 6 means 6C6 into 1 by 2 to the power of 0 into 1 by 2 to the power of 6, which is equals to 6C naught value. Observe, it is equals to 1 by 64. Copy this one and you can understand that therefore from the above values, you can write from the above values, P of x is equal to 3 is the most likely outcome. Copy this one. Tomorrow we can discuss some more problems.